Scrum is one of the most widely used agile ways to run projects. From big tech to startup companies, they all love it. But it's not just for software. To show you how it works, let's build something fun. Imagine a theme park, and we've been asked to create their new flagship roller coaster. We'll use Scrum to take this ride from idea to launch day. Scrum is a framework that helps teams work together smoothly. It's designed for complex, changing work. The goal? Deliver value early, learn fast, and keep improving as you go. Scrum uses 5 core events: the sprint, sprint planning, the daily scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Let's walk through each one using our roller coaster project. First, the sprint. A sprint is a short, fixed period of time, usually 2 to 4 weeks. During a sprint, the team focuses on a specific slice of work. No endless timelines. Just a clear window to build something real. At the end of each sprint, the team should have a usable piece of the product. For our coaster, that might be a tested section of the track, or a working safety system, not the whole park, just one solid finished step forward. Next is the sprint planning. At the start of each sprint, the team holds sprint planning. This is where they decide what to work on next. Work is written as user stories. Simple, human-friendly descriptions of what a user needs. For example, as a park guest, I want a safe loading platform so I can board the coaster easily. The team looks at the product backlog. They estimate effort. They discuss risks. And together they choose how many stories they can realistically finish this sprint. For sprint 1, they might commit to a basic track loop, the loading platform, and the initial safety checks. Next stop is the daily scrum or daily stand-up. Every day during the sprint, the team has a short check-in. This is the daily scrum. It's quick, usually around 15 minutes. Each person answers 3 simple questions. What did I complete yesterday? What will I work on today? Is anything blocking me? For our coaster team, an engineer might say, yesterday I finished the support beams. Today I'm wiring the safety sensors. I'm blocked waiting on a new part. The goal isn't status for a boss. It's alignment for the team, so they can help each other stay on track. Moving along, next is the sprint review. At the end of the sprint, the team holds a sprint review. This is where they show what's actually working. Not slides, not theory, real, running product. In our example, the team demos the first section of the coaster. The park director experiences the ride in a simulator. They might say, the drop is great, but can we add one more twist? Or, the safety harness feels too tight. All that feedback goes back into the product backlog. The review is about inspecting the product and deciding what to do next. And finally, the sprint retrospective. After the review, the team does one more event, the sprint retrospective. This one is about the team, not the ride. They ask 3 key questions. What went well this sprint? What didn't go so well? What will we change next time? Maybe they realize meetings ran too long, or communication between designers and builders was messy. They pick a few concrete improvements, and they commit to trying them in the next sprint. Scrum isn't just about building better products. It's about building a better way of working. That's it. Those are the 5 core Scrum events we need to create their new flagship roller coaster. It's also important to know the 3 Scrum roles. Scrum also defines 3 main roles. First, the product owner. Our park director. They own the vision for the coaster. They decide what features matter most, and they manage the product backlog. Next, the Scrum Master. Think of them as the team's coach. They make sure Scrum is understood and followed. They remove obstacles and help the team stay focused. Finally, the development team. These are the people who actually build the product. Engineers, designers, testers, writers, anyone needed to turn ideas into real outcomes. Together, these three roles keep the project moving forward. Sprint after sprint, the coaster evolves. In early sprints, it's all structure and safety. Later sprints add lights, sound, and special effects. Each sprint ends with a review and a retrospective. The team learns what guests love and how they can work better together. By the final sprint, the ride is not just safe and functional, it's unforgettable, and it matches what the park truly needs. That's the power of Scrum. You don't wait until the end to find out if you're on the right track. You deliver, learn, and adjust along the way. Whether you're building software, designing a product, or creating the next big attraction, Scrum helps teams stay aligned, deliver value fast, and improve with every sprint. Want to go deeper? Check out AI Scrum Assistant and Agent in the description. Level up your Scrum ceremonies with Scrumman. If this video helped, hit like, follow, and subscribe for more practical project management stories. See you in the next sprint.